Okay, so what I have is my tub of oats, and they're not pulsed yet, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like take them over to the food processor. Okay, so I'm just going to turn it on, and it's gonna turn almost like a powder. Consistency that I'm looking for. So very pulsed down, and you always want to take this piece out. I don't know if you have a food processor, but you always want to take it out, because if you try to pour it with the blade in, the blade's gonna go in with you, and that's not good. Okay, so what I did was I mixed them up, so you can see it's like part of like the whole oats, and then some of it is like pulverized, so it's just like for better digestive purposes. So this is the tub that I keep, and I have my little scoop here from the Orgain protein. I just kept the scoop because it gives like a perfect amount. And then I have my Tupperware here and my scale. So for the ingredients first, so I have unsweetened organic almond milk. I have plain non-fat Greek yogurt from Trader Joe's. I have my oats over here. I have Mexican vanilla. It's like just, yeah, vanilla. I have some pumpkin pie spice. This is very optional. My salted caramel protein. This is my cinnamon. Then I have some honey from Trader Joe's and some chia seeds. To prevent from any like dry oats getting stuck at the bottom, I pour in a little bit of milk, like maybe just that much. All right, so then the first thing that goes in that I like to put in is 27 to 30 grams of oats. For you, I believe it's 27 grams. So at this point with the Tupperware and the milk, I turn my scale on. And I'm gonna grab my oats. 28 is fine. And then the next thing I'm going to do is just put in the spices. So the cinnamon. Cinnamon I don't weigh out because I love cinnamon, and like it's not really going to affect your caloric intake. That's just with any spices. They shouldn't affect like your calories, except for like rubs and stuff that have like added sugars, salts and stuff. Like I would be careful of those. But any of these spices, feel free to just go at it. And then a little bit of Mexican vanilla. Put like that. The chia seeds, I only put about 3 grams. I think you know that by now, but let's see. I'm gonna take a little spoonful of chia seeds. Oops, I definitely spilled. That was 4 grams. That's fine. 3 grams to 4 grams of honey for me. You can even go up to 7 grams, but honestly, with the taste of the salted caramel protein, I honestly don't need that much honey because the taste in itself is just so good. Cool. Okay, so just a little drizzle. And then next thing is my protein. So okay, so put that in. That's 20. The last thing I'm going to put is Greek yogurt, and I'll show you how I put that in here. So what I've done is I have put the Greek yogurt on the scale, and then I zeroed it out. And so what we're going to do is I like 60 to 70 grams of Greek yogurt in my oats just to give it like a creamy texture. So I'm literally going to take out, and it's going to say negative on the scale, but that's exactly what I want. So I'm going to take 60 grams out to put it in here. And then you just go on the scale till it says 60. See, 65 is fine. Okay, you can just dip your spoon in there because everything that's on the spoon is worth the 65 grams because we took it out of here, if that makes sense. So you don't need this anymore. Get some more milk, and we're gonna shake it up again. And I don't weigh out the milk. You'll see what I'll do. So with the milk, I pour in a little bit by little bit. That way I don't make it too watery. I'm just gonna keep stirring and stirring until I get the consistency that I want. And then really like scrape on the edges of the container because you can see like dry protein if you don't mix it well. Like you'll see it along the sides on the corner right here, and that's what you don't want. On the spoon you will have dry protein, so with my finger I just take that off so it all incorporates because that's like all dry protein. And this is like the consistency that you want. This is what you're looking for. And so I tend to put a little bit more milk because all of the oats, all the chia seeds, and the protein powder is literally going to soak up all the moisture overnight. Like this is definitely what you're looking for. So I just stir it enough, and then for like gram purposes, I really make sure to try to get everything off the spoon. Now you have like all the ingredients and like how much to put in. So hopefully this helps out.